In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to access the Data Privacy and Technology course from Harvard. If you're interested in learning more about data privacy, digital security, and how technology and law intersect in today's world, this course is a great option. I'll show you exactly where to find it on Harvard's website, how to enroll, how to complete the payment process, and how to get started with the course once you're enrolled. This guide is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step software and online course tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar, type in Harvard University or Harvard Online and press Enter. This will take you to Harvard's official website, where they list their available programs and online courses. Make sure you're on a legitimate Harvard domain to avoid any third-party or unofficial sites. Once you're on the Harvard website, look for the search option. This is usually located at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type in Data Privacy and Technology. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Click on the course titled Data Privacy and Technology when it appears in the search results. This will take you directly to the course's main information page. On the course page, take a moment to review the details. You'll see an overview of what the course covers, who it's designed for, the duration, and the skills you'll gain by completing it. Scroll down to read about the curriculum, instructors, and learning outcomes. This is a good step to make sure the course aligns with your goals before enrolling. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account using your email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account if you don't already have one. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details. This typically includes your name, email address, and sometimes additional information required by the course platform. Double-check that all the information you enter is correct. After completing the details, proceed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method, enter your payment information, and complete the payment securely. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message, and usually a confirmation email as well. This email will contain important information about accessing your course. Now you're officially enrolled. To start your course, return to the Harvard course platform and sign into your account. Navigate to your dashboard, where you'll see the Data Privacy and Technology course listed. Click on it to begin learning. You can now access the course materials, watch lectures, complete assignments, and track your progress at your own pace. And that's it. You've successfully accessed, enrolled in, and started the Data Privacy and Technology course from Harvard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.